little bit of a cloudy day today. Get the golf cart going. A little bit of choke this morning. Come on, come on. There we go. And the water's dripping off the roof. All right, so a little chilly in the shop. I think it's about 41 right now. I really do need to get my sealing done on my heaters, but more to come on that. Get some lights on the situation in here. Today, it's another day of quarantine, so we're here in the shop, and I have a product from Auxbeam that I want to share with you guys that actually is going to be going onto the golf cart, and I'm just going to kind of show you guys what it has to offer and basically where I'm going to be mounting it and how it's going to make things a whole lot easier when we're adding accessories to that little project. So here it is. Open up our box, and inside we have our screws, and this is what we got for the golf cart. This is a pre-wired accessory panel from Auxbeam, and you look at these here, you can see it has your standard 12-volt outlet right here, and what's really nice about this, you open up this side and you got USBs. So if you want to plug in your phone, anything like that, you can just plug it right in there and you're good to go. And then also you have 4 switches for 4 different accessories. You want to run lights, you want to run a little stereo speaker or something like that. You can hook it up with these switches, put it right into the dashboard of your golf cart or whatever project you want to be installing this on. And behind here is where it gets really good. Everything is pre-wired. You have a fuse holder for both of your outlets. And also this goes into the switches as well. So this is going to power up your switches. And then you have all these tabs right here, which is going to be for your power out for each one of these. And then also you have these 2 wires here. One's going to be your ground, and I believe the other one's the ground for the lights on the switch. Just so when you turn these on, you will have that illumination. So I will have a link in the description for this. I'm going to kind of show you guys exactly where this is going to be mounted on the golf cart. There is a little bit of fabrication I'm going to have to do before I can get this installed. Also, I want to have all the accessories that I'm going to have running off this all pre-wired, ready to go when I get this installed onto the golf cart. And it should be a really nice addition to this project. Also, right here, you do get this nice gasket. You can put this in behind, so then you're going to have some watertight seal. At least try to keep some of the weather out of this wiring. And I mean, obviously you can take any kind of measures depending on your application. If you're putting this in your boat, you can seal that up whatever way you feel fit. But all in all, definitely a very nice product. It's got a very nice finish to it. You can see it's almost kind of like a little bit of a, not necessarily a carbon fiber look, but if you put it in the light, it kind of does give you that little bit of an effect. But let's take this over to the golf cart and I'll show you guys exactly where I'm going to put it. And we got the birds singing today. But if you guys have a golf cart like mine, it does have a little pocket on either side just for storage, and I don't really need 2 of them. So I think on the driver's side right here, I'm going to get some metal, and I'm just going to kind of shape it for this area. And then I'm going to put some L brackets in here just to be able to mount it in place. And then this is the perfect size to fit right there. So I'm going to cut a hole in the metal, I'm going to mount it in there, and this should be nice, weather tight, out of the way, and give us a nice place for our accessory switches. So if you guys are looking for a clean way to mount your accessory switches and also get the USBs and the 12-volt outlet all in one little kind of nice package like this has, definitely check out the link below in the description. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep that hammer down.